Good evening, boys, and welcome to your first trumpet lesson. My name is Mr. Vitrero.
I'm Mr. Vitrero.
Hello. So, today we'll be talking about how to take the instrument out of its case, put it together, get some tone, and hopefully learn a tune by the end of it. How's that sound?
Yay!
Great. So, you both have your cases in front of you. Chris, I like that you have it on your lap. That's terrific. Dan, I also like that you have yours on the floor. That's also great. Both of you, I would like you to make sure your cases are face up with your name on top. So, see, there you go. There's the name right there. Good.
That's not my name.
No, not your name. Sorry. The name of the trumpet brand or case brand in your case. And so, since you both have zippers on... Good catch, Chris. Since you both have zippers on your case, if you could please make sure to hold your case with one hand, Chris, so it doesn't fall. And then take your other hand and just take the zipper and bring it around. And Dan, yes, I see you already unzipped yours across the top. Terrific. Very advanced. Good. And if you could both please take the mouthpiece out of your case. Leave the trumpet in there for now. Great, good. And if you could please take the trumpet in your non-dominant hand. So what hand do you write with, boys?
I write this one.
So if you could take the hand that you don't write with and put the trumpet mouthpiece in that hand, please. And you could leave your trumpet on your lap, Chris, or put it on the floor if you feel that'd be a little bit safer. Why don't we put it on the floor? Great. And just take the trumpet mouthpiece, and before you put it to your lips, I want you to say, Can you say for me? Good, and feel how that pushes your lips together. So now, just go, take the mouthpiece as you're saying with your lips. Just put the mouthpiece in the center of your lips like this and blow through to get a nice buzz like this. Your turn. Dan, very great buzz. Chris, also very good. It sounded like at first your lips weren't quite together enough, so maybe try a little bit closer with your lips, and then one more time push it through. So let me hear you guys together again. Yeah, hey, great sound, guys. Oh, Chris, that's okay. Great job. So why don't you take your trumpet, Chris, you could put it on your lap now, still in the case. Dan, you could leave yours on the floor. And make sure that you just take it out, that it doesn't fall or hit anything. Great job, Dan. Chris, oh, it looks like you have some straps in your case, so just undo the Velcro and take it out. And Chris, you could put your case back on the floor after you take your trumpet out. Good job, boys. So now, let's talk about how to hold the trumpet. Take your right hand. You want your pinky to go into the hook right here. There you go. Good job. And then what do you think these things are called up here? Does anyone have an idea?
Buttons.
Buttons. Close.
Slingshots. You could launch paper.
You could, yes, but let's not, Chris. These are what we call valves. Why don't we take 3 of our fingers that aren't in the hooks? That would be your pointer finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger. And we just put them on top like that.
Your thumb's not in the hook. Why can't we use our thumb?
Good question, Chris. The reason we can't use our thumb is because we need our thumb to support right there. So we just take it and put it right in between the first valve over here and the second valve, and just rest it on the tubing right there.
I'm not going to hit your trumpet, please don't.
Very good job, boys. And now we take our left hand and see...
It's heavy.
Well, ready? Something that'll help us out is if we take our left hand, we grab it on the other side, like this. We take our left ring finger. Can you guys point to your ring finger, please, with your left thumb? Or that. Great. Good job. And we just stick it right in the hole like that. And then we have a hook.
Really strange.
That's okay. Well, Chris, trumpet is made differently, Chris.
I mean, it's wrong?
No, it's just different. Different doesn't mean wrong. So, why don't you try putting your ring finger, your left ring finger in that ring there, and see how does that feel? Does that work for you? Can you wrap your pointer finger and middle finger? You can try your pinky if that's a little more comfortable. Okay. Yeah, that's better? Okay, good. Yeah. So you can wrap your pinky down there, and then your other 3 fingers, you can just put it around like that. No, we don't. We'll get to that. We'll get to that in a second now. And then take your left thumb and you just bring it around back and put it in the little U-shaped hook you have. Oh, Chris, your trumpet is even more different still. So you can just wrap your thumb around the first valve, just so it's supported. Great, so how about, can we lift up our trumpets like this and just see how that feels? Is that less heavy now? Chris, is that a little bit better? Good. Now, you both have some different things going on. That's because you have different trumpets, and different is okay. So now, why don't we move on to playing through the trumpet. So take your mouthpieces out and take the thin end of the mouthpiece. This is called the shank of the mouthpiece. And just put it in the lead pipe like so, and just give it a little quarter turn, just so it sticks in nice but doesn't get stuck. There you go, good. And now we're going to play C. And the way we play C on the trumpet is we don't push down any keys, and we just blow through, buzzing that same way we did before. It'll sound like this. Why don't you guys try? Very good, guys. You got it right out. So the next note that we will be playing is D. The way we play D is we push down our first valve and our third valve. Can I see you guys try that? Good job, Chris. Good job, Dan. Thank you. So let's push it up, or I'm sorry, bring it up to our mouths and push down 1 and 3 and buzz like this. Very good job, boys. And now, let's try, yes, Chris. Oh no, you have a stuck valve. Here, let me, there you go.
Okay.
You should be good for the rest of the lesson. So, the next note we'll be playing is E. We play E, guys, by pushing down 1 and 2. Let me see. Oh, Dan, almost. You pushed down 2 and 3. Why don't you lift up your ring finger and then push down this finger? There you go. Chris, let me see you. Good job. And it's going to sound like this.